Hey guys, welcome to Arihant Online Academy. In this video, we will pace up with couple of questions from programming in C, and this will surely boost up your programming skills. So before discussing, I just want to convey one message that please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button so that in future also whenever we will upload a new video lecture or any kind of updates, you will be notified instantly so that you can get instant updation from our side and score more and gain much more concepts and learn new things from our channel, right? So let's discuss. Suppose the program is given here, include study.h, void f, characters is given like that, and again this programming is given, and we have to basically find the output of this program, right? So basically if you will see now, void main, the function will execute it from the main and it will goes from f, right? Now the prototype of the function is void, right? Now character C is assigned the string likewise that in form of characters GATE 2019, right? So basically I have discussed that the characters are basically stored with the value of ASCII value, right? The ASCII value of G would be stored on the place of here, ASCII value of A is stored here, right? Likewise that, and 2019 is similarly stored in binary form, right? So basically all is stored in a binary form, but if characters are there then they are stored in ASCII form, right? Then simple function declaration or function definitions are there which are saying that character, the value of P are stored in the character C, and character Q which will store the value of Q at assigning the value of the memory location here is a C, means all the value are functioning in the character C, right? So basically the function that we have to involve with is Q is equals to P plus P0 minus P3 plus 2, right? So basically the hierarchical level of, if you see, the priority of this bracket is higher. So if you will see, P0 is assigned here. P0, suppose the in character it is assigned from 0 onward, 0 1 2 3 location wise, that, right? So at the P0 G is assigned, right? And at P3 0 1 2 3 E is assigned here, right? Now we have to subtract the value of P0 from PE. So the ASCII value of G will be subtracted from to E. So the, if you will see, A, B, C, D, E comes first and after that G comes, right? So basically there is a gap of two ASCII values between G and E. So P0 means the value of G would be higher and P3 E would be less, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? So basically there is a gap of, suppose it is G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but basically if you will see the characters in ASCII letters, so there is a gap of 2 occurs. So this subtraction would result in 2. After that, this 2 plus 2 gets 4, and after this P value, basically this P is the address of this array, right? So basically it will locate at the first point, address of the element in the array, right? So suppose this is 100. Suppose this is 100, you can assume anything like, and it will get added by 4. So what it will 104 now, suppose. So 100 plus 101, 102 plus 103. So 104 will locate it here, and it will now print from 104 onward, that is 2019, right? So output of this program would be 2019. Basically for the proof purpose I have compiled this in a GCC compiler, and there I also find the same output, right? So there isn't any confusion from this side. Now the next program is include study.h, int main is given, void function and this kind. So many students are getting confused in this program. Basically some are saying that, sir, on the place of slash and there should be C or whatever, right? So basically we are solving with the conditions we have, okay? So here void function is there. This is the prototype for the function f, right? And basically this function f, it will called here, and basically at the function f, function would be called here, and this will get character input by input and terminated when the user enters, right? Enter the key when user slash n means after getting input all the character, when user press the enter key. So after that enter key, that will be terminated, right? And it will print the given array in reverse order. Why? Basically, when you will start function from main, void function would be there, character C is there, right? Now the function is saying that C get character. You have, here is a bracket. You should have to consider this bracket because there is bracket, right? And we have to get character until the null value doesn't come, right? So basically what is there now, suppose if you have given the output as Srinivas, right? Suppose you have given program this, right? And after that, suppose this is stored in an array, likewise that, right? So basically what will happen, it will fetch or get character first in input array, in input buffer it will put S, right? And it will terminate or it will delete from there. Okay, so it will be in new input buffer, stored in new input buffer, and it will get terminated from this, that side, right? After that R will be get there and it will be put into the input buffer, right? Similarly, until the null would not come, it will get execute, it will get all the values in new input buffer, right? So when /n should be there, we have to, what we have to find, doesn't equals to /n, right? So /n would also get executed, and after /n means this null, or you can say that after this one time is it again executed to verify the value that whether this program is getting, this condition is getting false or not, right? Now after that the function will be called, right? So after getting all the new values in the buffer, the function value would be called there. In function we have to print the character C, but basically what we have getting function is basically we have /n, so the blank line would be printed there, right? And after that we have to print the value in reverse order, because the getChar character we have used, and getChar basically print the characters from the new printf values, right? So it will basically print your values in reverse order. So if you have given input likewise Srinivasa, right? So it will print S first, then A, then V, then I, then N, then I, then R, then S. Whatever you will put, it will give in reverse manner, right? And after that, that print /n would be executed. So this print it will again executed blank line there, right? So basically your output would be likewise that, right? Basically I have tested this code on some compilers, but after getting any kind of characters like ABC, it will print CBA likewise that, right? So this is the correct solution for that. Further, if you have any kind of queries or doubt, you can comment us in our comment section. So we will try our best to solve your queries and doubt as early as possible. So guys, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button so that you can get instant notification from our side. Thank you so much guys. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.